Okay, now let's add some figures to our document. Before we add the figure, we have to use a package. So whenever you want to use a package, you have to introduce this to LaTeX before beginning your document. So here I say use package, the name is graphicx. So I come here, I begin a figure, then I include graphics in this figure. For now, let's forget about scale. We will come back to this later. So in the same folder that I have my LaTeX document, I mean the .tex file, I also saved the photo. So the name, for simplicity, of course, is photo, and .jpg. You don't need to write this JPG. You can just forget about it. Okay, then I will make a PDF from my LaTeX, and then let's see what we have. So here, as you see, we have this document, and the photo is here. So a photo can have a caption, and in caption I can write, okay, so this is the caption of my photo. And then, as I would like to refer to my figure in future, I also give it a label. So label photo, something that I would remember, of course. So I make a PDF from my LaTeX, and then figure 1, this is the caption of my photo. I can refer to figure, refer this, and then I can make a PDF. I can refer to figure 1. This is very useful. You don't have to worry about the number of the figure that you're adding to your document. It can be the figure, I don't know, number 23, and LaTeX just gives it to it. You can move the photos, the figures, and you don't have to worry about labeling them. And you only have to give them names and remember them, and then refer to them very easily.